Then the pandemic happened, and then all of a sudden, di namin alam yung gagawin because there were so many factors that parang sort of hurdled the production. No? One, it was coming of age youth film, no? Meaning our cast was mainly comprised of kids. So we weren't sure because nga of the restrictions. We weren't sure when we could go back into production. But at the same time, kung makabalik kami sa production, we weren't sure if we were gonna be able to get the same cast. Kasi baka by that time, tumanda na sila or ano. Also, it was set in province, so it was the logistics of having to fly a production to Bohol was difficult in the time of pandemic. Our resources were also depleting because we had already spent a portion of it in 2019 when we did the trailer. There were typhoons that happened, especially the big one that happened in Bohol, yung Odette, no? So some of the locations na we had intended to shoot in were damaged or na ano, no? So, ang dami factors talaga.